Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to automatically match cut beats in CapCut PC. So if you want to use the beats to go ahead and add in some transitions or cool effects, then you're onto the right guide. So the first thing that we need to do in here, since we're onto the editor page already, is to add in the videos, audios, and photos that you want to use. So you can simply click onto import if you want to go ahead and browse your different files, or you could simply drag and drop the videos, photos, and audios in here. But if you want to use the audios or videos that CapCut offers, you could just simply browse the library through that one. So simply click on the library in here, and then right after, we're going to go ahead and drag down until we find in some clips in here that we could add. So for example, I want to add this specific clip. So we're just going to click onto the plus icon in here to go ahead and add it onto our timeline in here. So as you can see, it should look something like this. And if you want to arrange this, you could simply drag and drop the videos just like that. Now it's time to add in an audio in here. Let's click onto audio. Let's use one that has been offered by CapCut as well. And we're just going to click onto the blue icon as well to go ahead and add that. And to go ahead and automatically match or cut the beats, let's go ahead and click onto the audio in here. And you can see this icon in here that says auto beat. So if you click onto that, there are two options, beat 1 and beat 2. So let's choose beat 1 in here, and we'll go ahead and add in some keyframe onto each beats in here. So this is where you could go ahead and add in some transitions or cool effects onto your video. So it is actually recommended to turn on this specific options in here to go ahead and have this easier for you. So for us to be able to go ahead and move the transition quickly, we're going to go ahead and remove this one or delete it from right so that it should stop up until the end of each beat. So it will move or move on to a different video when the beat moves as well. So let's keep doing this until we finish all of the clips in here. So as you can see, it should look something like this. And when you finish all of that, you could also add in some transitions onto each movement of the beat. So for example, this specific transition, you're just going to drag and drop it here onto the middle of each beat. So we're going to do the same thing for all of this. And once it is done, you could do a quick preview. And as you can see, each movement is driven by each beat drops in here. So that is just basically it onto how to automatically match cut beats in CapCut PC. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.